Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love fashion and want to shop the latest trends, you're in the right place. Today we're going to show you how to download the Zara app on your laptop. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your laptop and make sure you are connected to the internet. Since there is no direct Zara app for laptops, we'll need to use an Android emulator. An emulator lets you run mobile apps on your laptop. I would recommend you using BlueStacks. If you haven't downloaded the BlueStacks yet, head over to your preferred web browser and on the search bar, tap on BlueStacks download. Tap on the first link and here you can see the download button of BlueStacks version 10. So tap on it to download the BlueStacks. As I've already downloaded the BlueStacks on my laptop, I'll just go ahead and open the BlueStacks app. After installing the BlueStacks, open the BlueStacks and you'll need to sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. Here I'm already logged in with my Google account. Now that BlueStack is ready, we can download the Zara app. So here you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type Zara app. So you will find the Zara app in the Google Play Store within the BlueStacks. Once you find the app with this logo, you can see the install button right next to it. Tap on it. Now the app will be installed to your laptop. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will get automatically installed on your device. Here you will see the open button. Tap on it to open the app. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Zara app on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.